here is my project for EGR 154 multidisciplinary project, module group R2. I am Ryan Tay, admin number 203649N, and this is my automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. So how it works is, the IR sensor will detect let's say my hand, and then it will activate this red LED here, my buzzer here, and the two servo motors on top, which are mounted onto these two pieces of wood. And this Python code will run the whole thing, basically. So let me just demonstrate. See? Yeah. So I had to use an external power supply. As you can see, it's connected to an external power supply because there wasn't enough power to move the two motors and activate the red LED and buzzer at the same time. The power from my computer was not enough. And this is the brief run through of my code. So basically, I import all the PyFermata stuff and Arduino inside, and the port COM3 and everything. And then I assign my components to the specific pins they are attached to on the Arduino. Then I created this code over here, the define my servo. It's a user-defined code that basically runs the two servo motors at once. So I just decided to do this because it's neater. Then after that, I just put a random print and a random code. Basically, it just tells me when the code is ready to be used. And then after that, I use the while true loop so that the sensor will always be trying to detect something. And once it does, if sensor equals 0, once it does detect something, it will activate the LED for 1 second, because sleep 1 second, and then turn it off. Then activate the buzzer for 0.15 seconds, sleep 0.15, and then turn it off. Then it will run the user-defined code over here, and then done. And it can be repeated multiple times since this is a while true loop.